Yeah. Come on. I never felt so weak at night. I wanna get away. I seen her face in the light, like man, I wanna look that way. But she's stuck in a mirror. I'm trying to hold on. Can we touch for a little without the glass on? I never felt so weak at night. I wanna get away.
Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am so excited to be where I am. We're going to be fishing for largemouth bass in the Florida Everglades. Possible alligator sighting. It's about 30 minutes after sunrise, so I'm very excited. I will show you the area in just a minute. Let's get to fishing now. Thanks for watching Fishing Blackwater Sound. Alright guys, this is the spot. First spot of the morning. Alright guys, first cast with the frog. It's a decent cast, it's not perfect. Alright guys, top water is not really happening right now, so we're going to change. First fish of the day guys, crankbait fish. Finally, oh my god, it's a tiny, it's a peacock bass on a crankbait. You're kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. A peacock bass on a crankbait. What? Okay, that's a first. I've never done that before. Maybe that's what's chasing all that bait. Well, you've seen it yourself. That's actually a Guggen Squad crankbait right there. Guys, he's free. First fish of the morning is an actual peacock bass. I might have to go peacock bass fishing later with live bait. Let's let that little guy go. There he goes. Alright guys, from the glades to the crest. Kind of struck out in the glades, so we're gonna have to go live bait for peacock bass, considering that's what we caught earlier. Ooh, this water looks a little dirty. Alright guys, first bait. Hopefully first blood. We're gonna have to set our hook. Wow, that was immediate. Okay guys, fish on. Finally a fucking fish on, dude. Finally. There he is, peacock bass on the line. Second fish of my day. Pretty frustrating day, but we managed to make it happen. There's another one that's much bigger right there. We're gonna want to get her right after this. There's a much bigger one there. There she is, little guy. And shiners are doing what I want it to do. Alright guys, there he is. Beautiful peacock. There's a much bigger one down there. So let's let her go. That was as soon as it touched the water, guys. That was as soon as it touched the water. That was crazy. That little shiner, he didn't have a chance. Oh yeah, that's a decent bass up there. That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. Wow, no wonder it got eaten so fast. That's one of the biggest of the day. It's a good hook set. She's barely hooked. Nice jump. That's one of the nicer ones of today, guys. Let's fight her smart. Let's just be gentle with her. I think we got her. Yeah, that's a really good hook set, by the way. Look at that hook set. Yeah, it ain't going nowhere. Yes, that's a much better fish. Ah, it feels good to catch some fish, that's for sure. All right, guys, we're back. That's a big old mouth. Good hook set. There she is. That's a pretty fat peacock bass, let me say that. They're a lot bigger here in Pinecrest. It's a beautiful peacock. There we go. Finally got some action, guys. I was lacking the action. There she goes. Beautiful fish. All right, let's catch another one. Massive fish. Oh my God. He ate that as soon as... Oh. Wow. Wow. Wow, that was really fast, guys. Really fast. Oh, whoa, nice fish. Wow, that's a nice peacock bass. Jesus Christ. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, he's trying to get me in the trees. Wow. Incredible fish. Wow. Wow, that is a big peacock bass, guys. Wow. That's a good hook set. We got her. Wow, that was instant. Holy shit. Oh my God. Wow. Woo! That one pulled very, very hard. And our bait is still alive. Look at that. Our bait is still flopping around alive. We've got this big old peacock bass here. Wow. It looks like there's a line in his mouth. Look at that, guys. There's a line in his mouth. Wow, I want to see if I can get that out of him. Look, somebody broke. That looks like mine. Oh my God, he's been hooked before, guys. Look, that's a hook. And I think a fish is there too. I don't know how we can save her. Oh my God, it ate the other shiner that I broke off. Damn, they're going absolutely nutty. That's incredible. I got it. No, that's my hook. Oh my God, this fish ate the other fish. Oh my God. Guys, this fish ate, that's my hook. That's my Katina hook. This fish ate the fish that got broken off. And it's got a leech here. Something's leeching on him. Look at that. All right, let's let this fish go. That was absolutely incredible. Incredible. Regained my hook and caught the very same fish. There she goes. She'll live. She just got a little beat up. It's a beautiful peacock bass right there, guys. That fish ate the very first bait of the video that I had to break off. That fish ate it. I just took the hook out. Finally. We got her. We got her. Wow, that's a big peacock bass, guys. Holy shit. Wow. Okay. You're gonna have to fight her smart. That's a big one. Wow. Yep, she definitely ate it. Oh, there's a smaller one with her. There's definitely a smaller one with her. We don't want to break her off. We want to basically tire her out. Oh, wow. She's trying real hard to shake me. That is a beautiful fish. A beautiful fish, if I may say. She's almost done. There we go. Nice fish. Beautiful hook set. She wasn't going nowhere. Wow. Any slack, she would have been gone. Second to last fish of the day right there. Beautiful colors. Wow. Just insane fish. There we go. Beautiful stuff. Let's let her go. There she goes. On the last bait. That's a small tarpon in Pinecrest. I am recording. Holy shit, dude. Oh my God, that is a small baby tarpon here in Pinecrest. I really want to land this fish. Oh my God. Bow down to the king. Oh my God, Silver King in Pinecrest. No way. Unlike a dead shiner. Wow. Look, there are tarpon in Pinecrest. Oh my God, that's a tarpon in Pinecrest. Oh my God, that's a tarpon in Pinecrest. On the last bait. This is my very last bait. Oh my God. Oh, that's why they're called tarpon though, because they get crazy. He's just a baby, but it's worth it. It's worth it. Oh my God, we're gonna fight him calmly. Oh, I'm shaking, I'm shaking. Hold on. Oh, he's hooked pretty good. Oh, wow. Almost lost him. We got him, we got him, we got him. We got him. We got him. What? Oh my God. Baby tarpon in Pinecrest, Florida. Oh, good hook set, really good hook set. I cannot believe this is happening. There, baby tarpon, oh my God. In Pinecrest, that's unheard of. Woo! Beautiful fish. I'm gonna let him go over here. There he is, guys. Beautiful fish. Let's get a release on this guy. I can't believe I caught this fish. Well, baby tarpon in Pinecrest, Florida. Oh, beautiful fish. Wow, there she goes. Wow. That's the video, guys. That's an incredible video right there. Cannot believe that happened. That's never happened to me. That's the first time I've ever done that. Holy moly. Woo! Thanks for watching, guys.
Without the downtown, got me stuck in a riddle. Next flight, she heads home. I never felt so weak at night. I wanna get away. I wanna get away. I see my face in the light like, man, I wanna look that way. I wanna look that way. But
Finally, oh my God.
in a mirror, I'm trying to hold on. Can we touch for a little without the glass on? without the glass on.